Time capitulation has been one of the biggest fears in the cryptocurrency market for the last 30 to 60 days. And it's when people literally either get bored or they run out of money and they just can't afford to either buy the dip or hold on to cryptocurrency. It's your boy Crypto Millie, and I'm back with another Jasmy update, a core update from a TNA perspective, guys. So make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithm. Now, Jasmy on the weekly, in my opinion, is looking a bit concerning. I'm gonna give you kind of like why I'm looking at it this way, but of course, anything can happen in crypto. Move to the upside, move to the downside. You already knows how it goes. Now, why I'm a bit bearish short term on Jasmy, because what we have here is the weekly charts, a little bit of selling volume here below the VWAP, and also the RSI trending to the downside and the MACD trending to that downside. We don't have any sign of a reversal or a RSI cross. So right now, this just looks like a lot of a downward momentum, right? And the next level of structure, in my opinion, and I've said this before, is, you know, right here where we're at, between 2 pennies and about a 1.7, right? So a penny and a half, right? And Jasmy has wicked down once to that, and it's still going through selling pressure. The reason I'm concerned is because the entire market sentiment seems to be bearish. There's a lot of fear and FUD out there, as well as these patterns normally play out as a head and shoulder pattern. So you can see here, you got your head, you got your shoulder there, you got your another shoulder here, and this could easily just like kind of flame out here. Hopefully hold this structure at about 1.7, a penny and a half. But if not, you gotta understand there's not much structure holding us up if we do break 1.7. So it's gonna be very, very important for Jasmy to hold this red line here, which is about 1.7, so a little bit over a penny and a half. But it's a good chance that this head and shoulders pattern at this point does play out. It's because the market is just so bearish and we're going through time capitulation. Most of my charts, whether I'm looking at altcoin charts, the Bitcoin chart, Ethereum chart, everything looks like the next leg out won't play out until around the end of October and November. So hopefully I'm wrong, right? Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully we start to get the pump. I know everybody wants the pump. I get it. It gets a little frustrating waiting for it. But for the people that's looking to DCA into Jasmy or find an initial entry, anything within this structure here would be a good entry, right? Good entry. So right around the structure that you see that I drew here, anything within this structure would be a good DCA. Now, DCA means that, let's say you got $500, right? You put $100 in each structure. You put 100 here, 100 if it goes lower to the bottom of this candle here. Maybe another 100 if we hit our blue line here, and then another 100 at this structure here. That's how you DCA. Also, this is the weekly chart, so this can take 2 to 4 weeks to play out. So it doesn't mean that this is just gonna go into a confirmed head and shoulders pattern tomorrow, right? This takes time to play out. But the indicators are giving us an idea of what type of momentum that we do have. You can see here, technically when we crossed around 2-3, we turned bearish. Right now, guys, we are bearish as far as momentum for Jasmy here. So that's pretty much what I see on Jasmy. You can see here the selling pressure. I mean, 93 sales, 280,000 to 56 buys, 156,000. So you can clearly see the sell pressure. On the flip side, it is kind of like dying down, right? So it's slowing up, it's dying down. If we head to the weekly chart here, guys, you can see here the kind of like the head and shoulders pattern. But I want to show you guys a monthly chart. Pretty much what I want to go to here is the monthly chart. This was a huge cup and handle on the monthly for Jasmy, but this kind of confirms my concern here. We just got a stock RSI cross on the monthly. Now, if we go above below 70 here, which we 80 here, which we never have, that would confirm bearish momentum. So we really need this thing, if it's going to go down a little bit lower, to bounce off 80 and come back up, right? And again, this is the monthly chart. So if that happens, this could look something like how, pretty much a cup, handle, trade sideways, the next leg up, right? That's technically that's what you would want from Jasmy on a monthly chart. Going into altcoin season, going into the most explosive and parabolic part of the Bitcoin cycle, right? So that's what I see in with Jasmy, guys. All right, a little bit bearish short term, but if you're looking for initial entries or even a DCA point, this could be a very, very good opportunity here for anybody that was looking to reload their bags or load up the bags. Of course, none of this is financial advice. For the people that's holding Jasmy over time, again, do what's best for you. You have to do what's most comfortable and best for you, right? I look at the long time frames for Jasmy because I look at Jasmy as a long-term investment, right? You guys can go look at videos about the utility use case, and you can see how it connects to AI. A little, we shouldn't have to say anymore, but this is what I'm seeing on the charts. Hopefully, the sentiment changes. If this altcoin sentiment changes in crypto, Jasmy will start to rebound. It's been one of the strongest coins this cycle, up like 400% on the year. So sometimes you just gotta, zoom out, right? You can see here up 491% on the year, right? So, you know, right now it may not be looking good, but hey, have some patience. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.